Okay, I'm melting the metal right now, and I made this out of foam, and I filled this halfway up, and I formed this mold. And it was a while ago, so it kind of got moldy. So I'm going to try to put it in a bag like this. And the only reason I'm doing that is because I have to keep this together, and I only have wet sand. So now I'm going to come back in a minute after I fill the sides with wet sand, and then I'm going to pour it. So I took this chair, cut it into smaller pieces, and I've been feeding them through the hole and melting them. So I'm going to take this off, set it down, and now I'm going to take the slag off the top. I can shut it off, and I'm going to lift it out. Oh yeah, that way. Hopefully this thing can lift it. Nope. Yep. Okay. My homemade clampers work, luckily. And now I'm going to pour it into the mold. Now you can come over and get this side. Get closer. So you can see it. I'm going to just kind of pour it, and then I'm going to hit it after it pours. Tell me when it's coming out of the hole on the left.
What hole?
There's a little hole on the left.
I don't see no hole, Jeff.
Oh shoot, it's exposed. This is not good.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Oh man, it broke.
Shit.
Around a bit better.
Alright.
Alright. Major fail. And that fire ain't gonna go out. Shit. Let's see if we can get it to go out. Ready? You got this on camera?
Yep.
Does it work? It works! Okay, now we're smoking up the neighborhood. And at least I can pour some bars. Whoa! What? Ah! Safety first.
That mission is completely out. That could have got your face.
I know. It's melting the plastic, that's all. It's not explosive.
Look! That's twice!
Alright, I guess it's a little explosive. Okay, now
Oh my
I'm gonna
gosh.
try pouring these 2 bricks. Let's see what happens.
Jeff!
Alright, you watching?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's insane.
I'll put the rest back in and I'll try again.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, now I'm gonna have to make a new mold. Unless that one's still good and I can kind of like
Shimmy it somehow.
Alright, that's a wrap. You ready? You going?
Yep.
Okay.
Whoa.
So I'm gonna melt these down again. I'm gonna melt, well, not the bars, I'm gonna keep the bars.
Move back, there's a shadow.
Oh, yeah, hold on.
Wow. Look at
After
that.
they cool down, I'll dump them out and pour new ones. I'm gonna melt more metal. Like this. Keep the metal melting.
Oh my gosh. That's a cool science experiment.
I guess I'll wait for that. Alright, come over here. Get a close up.
It's splurting water. My shadow's in the way, huh?
This might be be cool enough, I'm gonna give you the reveal. Are you ready to see if it came out? Getting it?
A little smoky.
Oh man.
Darn.
Totally,
Busted.
what a disaster. But the good news is the mold is still intact, so I can do it one more time, but I'm gonna have to secure the mold real tight. I'm so close, but no cigar. Alright, let's see what these look like after you take them. Now I got an aluminum bar. That's pretty cool. I'll pour another one. Ah, that was hot. And I got two. That's pretty sweet. Just dug a hole. And now I'm going to bury this in here. Like that. And then I'm going to pour. That way the aluminum can't escape. Alright, I improvised. I buried it in the ground. And here is the pour hole. I'm going to pour it in. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here we go.
Well.
Oh yeah. And we're going to keep it. Get a little extra in there because we're going to cut that off. And then this one. Fill about that full. Alright, I buried it in the dirt. This piece. This is the big reveal. That was just lead. Okay, here I'm digging it out. I had to shut the audio off because I had a radio going in the background. And I just get it out of the ground here. This is like literally a backyard pour. The cheap way to do it and quick. Had to get it open here, and this is the final reveal. And here I am cracking it open. Let's see if I can get it open here. Lifting it open, and the mold is destroyed and unusable again, but the head came out halfway decent. I mean, it's got some big pits in it, but it's solid aluminum and it won't break. And it came out pretty good for what I'm doing. And that's the finished product. It's still kind of hot to the touch. It's been about an hour. Oh, it's hot. Check it out. Here it is. If you haven't figured it out yet, I'm making a Flamingo mailbox. And this is where the head's going to go. I'm going to weld it onto this pipe. And I just grinded it all, and it's looking good. Alright, hope you liked the video. Subscribe and have a blessed day.